Ngitsindwe ngilokuthide nje lengicela ukubuta kube direct. Ngithi ngibuta kuyomhlonishwa nankulu ukuthi i-process yethu ye-budgeting ithini. What is the normal budgeting process according to kusebenta kwelive? Itolo noma kuthandi ngathi ukuthi kuqala ematiko abuke ukuthi emenjani based on i-policy yahulumende, bese sekuhlangana i-PBC, which is i-public service, i-labor kanye ne-finance, no, i-public service, economic planning ne-finance. Bathi bangaphuma nalolo hlaka bathathe baluyise e-cabinet. Ngaleso sikhathi nendvuna yetemafa nayo iya consulta ne-finance committee. Labatabe babuksana ngoba i-finance committee is an important committee le advisor i-advise minister ngayo i-budget. Kepha le nqubo yelive ithi i-budget ifeza i-policy ye-executive. That is how it's supposed to be. Ngoba thine seluse kuthi lokhu lenze tenda kwenda senikwendile yini. Uma ngabe thine sesitaba la khathi sibudget nathi ngiko ngithi mina ngiva ngathi live sesiyalahla sihlalo. Ngicela simene emaqinisweni. Lapha khona lese kungasasihambi ngendlela yakhona. Angeke sithi umhlonishwa nankulu soto sibikela ukuthi kube sekuncwithwa lapha i-budget seyiphuma e-cabinet. I-cabinet lebuke i-policy yaseyithi naku lestakudzinga la, yebo yakuletha minister weta wahlala nebabonisana yabuyela emuva ifuna ichubeke ngaleyo ndlela. Ngiko ngithi angati ukuthi kusibheka kuphi la khona la sesiyakhona. All these structures are very important. The finance committee is very important as an advisor to indlu yonke mayelana ne budget. However, angati lokuthi kahle hlena kude mhlambe kude la yona ekhona mhlambe kula kubo kuyo na minister kufuneka lo sekwendiwe i-cabinet ngabe mhlambe minister uyakuyetha sothi ke abakubonisana isibenda njani i-cabinet ivume ukuthi naku lekuletha landasi. That is what I'm saying, Honorable Chair. We are not giving the nation a good picture. Something is wrong. Angicela singabe solo sipitch about the bush. Sende ungathi hayi ngilokuthi sifuna akubudgetwe from le phasi simele abantu i-role yethu vele siyiparliament sihlalo. Kushaya umthetho. Kuwenda i-oversight over i-budget. Le oversight lesho siphakele nako senendeni. Angeke bese thine siyakuthuma sisalukhokha la ufaka lapha. Thine sitatlele sikuphakele kona wendeni ngako. Bese sendakele representation lokuthi bantu sive sithi. Ngiko ngithi sihlalo kungonakala nangingaphuma ngingakakusho lokho ngithi ngiyacela mhlonishwa nankulu sesibuyisele etimisweni delive. Let's work on principles and not on good see this is me now kunami la asendeni ngalendlela lena angeke live lakhe ndunankulu i-foreign policy yelive ithi asina sitha, and the country is doing extremely well in that regard. Sinetihlobo everywhere but sine sitenda sinetitha within, and I'm very concerned. I'm very, very concerned. Sakatitha thine si khuluma lwimi lunye sive sinye kepha imbela ticagogwane sitkhona ngeke ngitibale. Something is wrong. Kutaba buhlungu uma sesinganoba principle centered sesitawuhamba nje ngekuthi kunabani kuphi mhlawumbe lokunye ukhanzise imali ngoba live selonakele ngemali. Let me just say it as it is. Live lonakele ngemali. Sengikhulume nje ngemati kwahulumende. Mati kwahulumende la ngala netimali kakhulu awukhanza kunetandla letiningi ekhatsi. sisibekise phela nalitiko la health lihamba njani ndunankulu lihamba njani mhlonishwa ndunankulu tiko la health. This is a ministry that has one of my budgets lamakhulu kwaba nje nalokubuka ngathi kutaba ne project letaba nemali kakhulu hayi seliyadungela edolelo akusahambi kahle asingakuvumeni singemaswati ngiyathi ukuthi emaswati ayahlonipha kepha akusiko lokho kwendlule endunankulu sesibuya kuwe Nkosi nekusebenza kwayo icabinet. This is a high level political organ that is supposed to inspire confidence to the nation. Gune collective responsibility. You speak in one voice. Angeke nifike lambe kwethu sibone ukuthi haw lona ungathi akakasoki lona kusho ukuthi usesemncane lona no, we don't need that. We need a united front to give the nation the confidence that it needs. Ema differences abakhona, there's nothing wrong with that. But nasesiphuma ngibabe welikhaya kuyabonakala ukuthi sihamba kanjena sibhekele. Ngithi nje ndunankulu angendlulise Nkosi lokho. Ngithumisa umsendo amaphoyisa nami ngigitsela Gorgwe ngilokushuthi siyabonga amaphoyisa siyabonga sihlalo. Na labangena endli eEven. Lokho it's angathi ukuthi emaswati akubuka njani. Hlehle emaphoyisa kangene aphikithe yonke indzawo sihloleni nasendlini tethu la sibabeke khona. Ngoba phela angithi bangena bakhokha imali. Nabakhokha imali babhadala irent. Mina ngawubuka irent kanti nini ndakwathi ukuthi lesi silwane lesi bakhokheni. Leni mhlonishwa esihlalo lesoniphekile. Lapha kunalaba bhalako bamelane nelive baqhaswa ngilaba. Ku geopolitics kunena live la se-Iran nyalo lishana na Israel nyalo kubukwa ukuthi ngubani lo hambisana na Israel sebala ngekhathi siyawukhanza thina sivukelwa dindwa ngekhathi singathi sikwendeke njani siya elkhethweni nga 2028 ngibo laba labatasichasa ngemali tawugqwala landlini tawugqwala bonke labanikwa ngabo lesivelesi ngiko ngithi it's not a small matter. Ishiti imbunga lenye lapha yathi in terms of angisathi ukuthi kushito iphimbunga yakhuluma lokuthi ukushito imbunga stock yathi laba basenda ngekuhekha laba naba labatholwe lapha edolobheni nje base bagcwele ama computer bacashela abamfabethu labakali mkokhwini asathi sibendani uyawukhanza ukuthi kuhekhwa una lama system ethu siyawuthi singene likhethweni sathi sibe kungene bobani nabani sikhanze kunalolunye ehlobo la ngekhathi ndunankulu sikhathi sesihambile Nkosi angeke ngikhone kungena konke kodwa nje ngicina ngele ukuthi sibambiseni ndunankulu sibambise akhambi ngendlela yakhona ngala ngasekhaya khabo cabinet sicela icabinet siwabonile ema cabinet itolo siwabonile Nkosi we are seeing personalities here we are seeing ngiyathanza ukuthi ngiliswade emaswatini kunalaba buthekile nani yobutheka kunetifungo lenitendako ngako ngisibheka ukuthi umuntu lo wesilisa lo tawukhuluma athathe isikhundla thithe lahlonishwe live ngaso akade ukuthi ema levels eauthority asebenza njani ngaphandle kube sesibutheka ukuthi sevele nginesikhala sekufuna ngiyongena but lokho kwenhlonipho angime lapho mhlonishwa ndunankulu i-domestic violence sebayithinzile sicela a program le clear yekuthi boy child nimsita njani nababe nimsita njani ngoba sesibonile ukuthi lento ayifuni besinyanyalata konakele umfana uthi wemfana konakele baba ekhaya ushaya make nemfana ubone akushaywa make kuqhubeka kanjalo kuba budlangudlangu ngicela kuma lapho bengingakhuluma kube kuningi bengikubhalile kodwa nje bengicela kukhutha nako nje ukuthi sibambiseni ihulumende akabe ngihulumende lele simadiko hayi uhulumende webantu hayi uhulumende wetive letitsite ngoba sitawubuyela ekutheni sibe nelivelethu kodwa sibe siphethwe ngila sesikhona khona nyalo sibuyela etikhatsini tabo colonialism icolonialism ngisebenzisa nini bantu kuthi niphambane nini batobe badla bona nibe benigilana khona la. Thank you, Honorable Chair.